guys, so I had to come on Snapchat and do my intro. Apparently on my camera, my intro got erased. I don't know how, but it got erased. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you how to do some chicken wings and rice. If you guys want to know how to do it, keep on watching.
So, we can get started. So we're going to need some chicken wings. I already cut them up. So I cut them up to drums and then a little wing. Now, I clean the chicken with lemon or vinegar, but today I'm going to clean it with vinegar. So let me put it over there. Let me go get the vinegar. And I use this kind of vinegar, yeah. This one. So I usually let the chicken sit in the vinegar for like a minute or so. So it could take all the germs out. So you guys clean it till like the water gets like white or something clear. So you can see right now, you see all that dirtiness. It's not clean. So as y'all can see, now the water is clear and it's all clean. About to turn on the stove, y'all. And I'm gonna put it in 5 for now. Get my pan ready. So we started off by putting a little bit of oil. So it looks like this. So we're gonna start putting our chicken wings. Now we're not gonna put any season on it until later on, but we'll just put salt on them. So now I'm gonna turn the wings around. Now they've been cooking just on this side for like 5 minutes, but I'm gonna turn them around. You want them to get like this. Hold on, let me show you. So when they get like this, on the other side, then we'll start seasoning them. I want to let you guys know, for the ingredients, it's just 1 tomato. I cut them up. 1 potato. Half of a green pepper. Just like a handful of culantro. And then just 2 little slices of onions. And then 2 celery sticks. And then I just cut like half of a jalapeno and cut them in little slices. So these are the items that you need to season them. Some cumin, some tomato and pollo, like tomato and chicken, some chicken season, some parsley, some black pepper, some garlic, salt, and some onion. So now we're gonna start seasoning them. You see the juice? There's some juice that has now. Look, it's like a little caldito. In Spanish it's caldito, but for y'all it's like a little soup. So now we're gonna start seasoning them, y'all. We're gonna start off with the Maggi. Hold on. Now, you guys season how you like to season it. This is how I season it. Then we're gonna do the tomato and pollo, which is tomato and chicken. Just a little bit of this. Some parsley. Some black pepper. Some garlic salt. And some onion. And the last is the cumin, y'all. Cumin give not too much, y'all. Please don't put a lot of cumin because it has like a musty taste to it. Just a little bit. So So we're just gonna stir it around. Move it, move it, move it. Now, I forgot one more thing, y'all. You guys know sazon Goya? This is the kicker, y'all. This is good for everything. So let's move it around, move it around, move it around, move it around. Ah, my stuff ain't working. Okay. So let's go ahead and cover it up for like 2 minutes. 2 more. The celery gives a good taste to this chicken wings and rice. It's so good with celery. So I'm gonna start off with the celery. Then the tomatoes. I'm gonna leave the potatoes for last, y'all. Put the jalapenos. Okay. Once you got all the vegetables in here, you just stir it around. Now this is a really good dish, y'all. I really recommend it for y'all to make it. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna let it shimmer for a little while. I want the little vegetables to get a little soft, and I'm gonna put water. Okay, and we'll come back. So you guys, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna start putting the water. I think it needs like about 3 or 4 cups of water. Well, that's 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna let it I'm gonna just put 3 cups of water because we'll get add the rice with it. But for now, just 3 cups of water. Now, while the chicken wings are cooking, we're gonna start cooking the rice. I'm gonna go get a pan and we're gonna start cooking it. So we need a little pan, y'all. A little pan. When it gets hot, then we'll put the oil. We're gonna start adding like a little bit of oil to make the rice. So we're just gonna pre-cook this, y'all. We're not gonna actually cook the rice in here. We're gonna put it inside with the wings. I'm using this rice is the El Mexicano rice. Y'all could use whatever rice you want, but I know a lot of people like to cook with the pre-cooked rice, but I just don't like it on this recipe. I just prefer regular rice. So let's get started. Let's cut the bag. So for this recipe, I'm cooking for 5, y'all. So I'm gonna just do 1 cup and a half of rice. So we're just gonna add Maggi, but the little cube Maggi, which looks like this. Let me get So we're gonna stir it around. So now we're gonna move the rice where the wings are at, and we're gonna also add our potatoes. So let me move this, y'all. The potatoes. We're also gonna add one more, what's it called? Another Goya sazon. This is the part that you need to taste to see if it has enough salt. So let's go ahead and taste it. I think it needs a little bit more salt. Now, for y'all that don't like jalapenos, don't add jalapenos because it's gonna taste a little bit like it's gonna have a little kick to it. But I feel like for people that don't like jalapenos, don't add jalapenos because I don't think you're gonna like it. Let's go ahead and give it a taste again. Okay, it's good. And I'm gonna add 1 more cup of water. Now you guys, I'm gonna cover it back up and we'll get 15 minutes cooking. Now when you're about to let it cook for 15 minutes, don't forget it lower the temperature down to like a 5 or a 4. I'm gonna leave it on 4. So it's been 15 minutes. That's been cooking. Now it should look like this. Now there's still gonna be a little bit of juice because that's how I like it. But the rice and the potatoes is fully cooked. Y para mi gente latina que están viendo, hoy hice alitas de pollo con arrocito, papas. So you guys, this is the finished product. If you guys like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Comment, hit the notification bell. And if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. Y para mi gente latina, igualmente suscríbanse, dale un like a este video si les gustaron esta receta. Bye. Thank you for watching. Do you like it, David?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yes.
Okay. Cuíden tú.
No.
Okay.